8 here, 890s maybe.
That felt really good. Air must be super good. We added just a smidge. I hope it was enough for an 8. I might have killed it a little too early, I don't know. But it felt good. Hopefully it was. So then I gotta start running the 950, or try to at least. That was awesome, thing felt great. We gotta get back, get the white car out and ready. I don't think Dad's gonna make the first qualifier. We haven't done anything with it yet, but hopefully that was an 8-second run, and then we gotta turn it back down just a smidge to kill it at the 8th to go a 950 for tomorrow.
A lot faster.
What's your guess?
I know it's in the 8s for sure. 894.
890 with 2 zeros.
What happened?
890
Really?
at
8900.
146.
Yeah, it felt faster. That's for sure.
That's how you cook, yo.
That is how you cook, yo. That was awesome. It felt really good. Just adding that little bit of dome pressure though, you guys probably heard it. Like it didn't lay over the motor as hard. I might have, yeah. I don't know. I don't want it to bounce on the rev limiter, that's the problem.
Well, Cole just made his first pass of the day. He got his 8-second pass. Now we're gonna try to slow the car down to a 950. He's running 950 index. So that means he's gonna try to run a 950 or slower in order to be able to win the race. Give or take the other guy breaking out if he does too. You just got to break out worse. Sorry, slacking on the footage a little bit. We're running 2 cars this weekend, and me and Cole are the only ones that are really crewing for both of them. And then he's got to drive one, and then we have only one pit vehicle that we can tow to and from the track, from the line, from the top end, all that stuff. Really good air today. It's pretty cool out, so see what we can do. See you guys in a bit.
Beautiful, we bagged our first finish.
Alright, so we're back in the lanes here. It's Saturday. It's going to be Cole's second pass of the day. After what I said, I thought he was maybe going to try to run a 950, but he's going to run it out because he likes to go fast.
Yeah, we're going all the way.
He's going to make his second pass here. Brian didn't make a pass last round, or first round of today. Weather's cooled off a lot, so cars will probably be all fast. For, we want to what, 440, 441? So maybe a high 430?
Yeah, hopefully. Mid 30 would be awesome. Mid to high 30. If she goes. And then we're doing a little memorial deal, I think, this next run with Dad's car. One of his old racing buddies, Dan Dye, passed away last year. I packed him into the chutes and do a little one last memorial deal for Dan, which is going to be super awesome. Give him one more last
Are
ride.
you going to try to run with this group again?
Yeah, so that'll be fun to see. Hopefully we can make a good clean pass for him, because I know he would love that. So.
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Good. Everything on?
Jesus, I'm crying! Methanol! God damn. All right. Well, another clean lick. It felt super good. We got to get back, get the white car, and do that ceremony or memory. Give Dan Diaz one last run, which is going to be awesome. I'm super excited for it. He deserved it. He's a great guy, from what my parents said. Guy that was taken away from us too soon. So, yes, sir. I'm excited for it, but
Here we are back in the lanes. This is going to be Brian's memorial pass for one of his buddies. Full pasture, and we would know that.
and remember, stand up.
So as you guys just saw, Brian just made a memorial pass for one of his buddies, Dan Dye. He went a 4:30 something, I can't remember. You guys probably saw it, but pretty important pass to him, to all of us. Of course, something like that is pretty tight with all those guys. So yeah, but all around it was a good pass, and it was more important than we get to spread the love on the track. And yeah, pass before eliminations. Gonna spice her up a bit. Mid-8. Just waiting to get up here. We're gonna get going after this guy here. So just waiting to get suiting up and see what we can do.
God, I don't want to be done. Oh, another clean lick. Felt super good. Track might not have been that as good as it was earlier. It moved really hard on the gear change, but I mean, it felt amazing. My God. We gave it a little bit more, but I don't know. Maybe broke into the 70s. Car runs awesome. Oh my God. Freaking so fun. But that concludes our Saturday. There's street crews for King Street and the real street cars. They're doing that now, and then we are off until tomorrow. So tomorrow's race day. We gotta throw the first tune-up in it that we had before. Try to slow it down a little bit, because I gotta let off at the 8th tomorrow and try to run a 950 and maybe hopefully try to go a couple rounds. So I'll need some luck though on my side, but other than that, we will see you guys tomorrow on race day.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.